Welcome back, children. I hope you all have understood yesterday's topic, that is chapter 3, programming multiple sprites in Scratch. Watch the video 3-4 times, then you will know how to use this Scratch programming language. Okay, children? And in today's video, we are going to discuss about our exercise topic. Let's discuss our topic one by one. This is your first question, and if the picture is not clear means you shall refer your textbook. It is in page number 70. Okay, children? First question: Shilpa visits her friend's house every day before going to college. Write a program in Scratch to show her daily routine. Okay, see, and the routine is given here. Shilpa, and x and y axis is given. This is Shilpa's friend's house, and also x and y axis is given. Shilpa's college. Now what you want to write? We want to write a program in Scratch to show her daily routine. We want daily route, sorry, routine not daily route. Okay, we want to write it by program. So they have given you some hints, and also they have started the instruction. Okay, we know that first what command we want to click? We want to click and drag and place this when icon, when flag clicked. This command you want to write first. Okay, then go to x direction and y direction. They have given this x and y. Write that. Then say hello, I am at home for 2 seconds. Okay, this 3 is given. Then okay, now what you want to do? You first imagine yourself how you can write a program for this, because they have given you 3 commands. Now after this what will come? Just imagine and write your own commands. Okay, from the scripts given at the top. Okay, if you are feeling difficult to write it, now you can check your answers here. See, yes, this is your answer. First 3 lines they have given, and the third one, see, glide. Okay, glide means she is moving. She should move smoothly to her college. So first glide, x and y is given, also glide. Okay, she is coming. This is Shilpa's friend's house. That hints they have given there, and this is Shilpa's college. Okay, after going to college, she's saying, say hello, I reached college for 2 seconds. See, very easy. If you have downloaded the software, means Scratch software, means you can you can do this program in your Scratch and run, so you will get the output. Now your second question is, it is in page number 71. Vishal is programming an animation for his sister Yotsna. He wants to show her jumping on the trampoline. Help him do the following 3 activities. Okay, see, Vishal, he is writing an animation program for her sister. Okay, she is doing this trampoline dance she is doing. Now he want to show her jumping on the trampoline. Now what he want to display means, he want to display that her sister is jumping in this trampoline. Okay, for this he want to write a program. Help him do the following 3 activities, and in book they have given you 3 questions they have given. First question: arrange the following instruction on the right hand side to make sprite Yotsna jump on the trampoline. Okay, they have given you some commands like this. Okay, see, and now you want to arrange this into a correct form. So first what command will come? First, when flag is clicked will come. Second, what will come? Yes, switch costume to costume 1. Then what will come? Forever and glide. Okay, now this is your second question. Vishal knows that the following instructions are required to make Yotsna do a somersault. Make the commands with the correct actions. Okay, so what you will do here? Yes, first one, switch costumes to costume 1. See, this is your command, and this action is changes the sprite's appearance by switching to a different costume. Now when flag is clicked, see, runs the script below when the green flag is clicked. Glide, and its action is moves the sprite smoothly to the specified position or the specified length of time. And forever command is runs the block inside over and over. Okay, children? And your next question, see, and this question, it is in page number 73. Now you want to match the following instruction with their blocks. So see, this block is related to what? Glide, turn, go to x and y. Yes, absolutely, this is related to motion. So mark it with motion. Repeat. If then. Wait means yesterday I have given you some commands. If you have studied, that means you can write the command, you can correctly match this. Okay children, this is related to control. So study that yesterday's commands carefully. Set volume, play sound, set instrument is related to, yes, sound. So mark it with sound. Switch costume, say hello, switch backdrop. This everything is related to look. So mark it with look. And pen down, set pen color, pen size is related to pen. So mark it with pen. Okay children, shall we move to the next question? And your next question is, fourth question is, it is in page number 74. Complete the sequence of actions and instruction given in A, B and C to help me to monkey jump on the stones and read the bananas. You are given the following. Okay, they have given you some hints they have given, and you want to, yes, write the answer for question number A, B and C. Okay, see what you want to find. That one monkey is there, and this monkey should read the next corner where the bananas are found. Okay, how he can jump means he can jump on the stones and read the bananas. Now we want to find the answers. What they have given, sprites they have given banana and Mithu monkey. Okay, background is given a stream with the stones and the banana tree on the other side of the streams. XY position is also given. Now we want to find out the answer. First one, fill in the blanks for step 1 and 2. Okay, step 1, what will the step 1? Upload the background in the project. First we want to upload the background. Step 2, program the Martha. So what is that? Yes, sorry, here I have written Martha, but this is Neetu monkey. Okay, sprite to place in it on the banana plant. Now when flag click, go to X and Y direction. This is your first one. And this is your second question. Okay, program monkey sprite to jump on the stones. Write the program block for step 3 using the X value and Y value given in the following picture. Hint, the first 3 instructions are given to you. Complete the block. So first 3 instructions they are given. Now you want to fill this. Okay, this is completely based on your idea children. Okay, so whatever directions X and Y values you want to give, you can give that. Okay, according to your wish, your imagination, because you are creating the program. Okay children, now see, for your information, I have written all the, yes, X and Y values for you. You can fill this in the last question. See, all this are given here. Okay, now how he will jump? He will jump here, then he will go here. One by one he will reach all the, yes, stones, and he will go and take this bananas. Okay children, so children, write this in your textbook with pencil, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. See, this everything is completely based on your idea. If you have downloaded the software, one by one you check X and Y values by placing different values. Okay children, take care of yourself children. Bye.